Your doctor prescribes the NuLids system to patients who fall into one of two categories. Those with dry eye symptoms such as irritation, itchiness, and burning, and as a preventative treatment for those showing clinical early signs of a problem but haven't progressed to the symptoms phase just yet. Regardless of what category you fall into, let's get you started back to eyelid health with some simple instructions. Before using for the first time, fully charge the handpiece. A flashing green light indicates charging. A solid green light indicates charging is complete and you can begin your first treatment. If your handpiece has been unplugged for a while, an amber light will flash when your battery is low. If this happens at the beginning of a treatment, there will be enough power to finish. Be sure to charge your device fully afterwards. A full recharge takes approximately 2 hours. We've asked a NuLids customer to walk us through their 1-minute treatment.
I leave my handpiece charging overnight so it's ready for my morning routine. Once I've turned on the handpiece, I bring it close to the peg of the soft tip until it magnetically snaps into position. Then I put on a drop of the lubricant my doctor recommended, like this. With my opposite hand, I pull down my lower lid while looking in the mirror. I press the on-off button and place the edge of the soft tip on my lid margin. With even pressure, I slowly move from one side of the lid to the other for 15 seconds. And then the device automatically pauses after 15 seconds and then starts cycling again. For my upper lid, the steps are pretty much the same. The only thing that's different is figuring out where to place my finger and how to best expose my eyelid margin. Now this is what works for me. It's to place my finger here, pull my eyelid up. This seems to turn the lower part of the eyelid upwards so I can treat that area better. Then it's just like before. I turn the handpiece on, slowly run the tip from one side to the other for 15 seconds, and then I'm done.
Using NuLids is kind of like taking care of my oral hygiene. It's a small little task to add to your routine every day, but that small task is going to make a lifetime of difference.
So there's a couple of easy things to remember. I tell people, don't get discouraged. It may take you a while to get comfortable using the NuLids system, particularly on your upper lids. It'll feel clumsy and awkward at first, but the results are totally worth it.
It's a little bit challenging at first because you've got to try to figure out your hand movement. But for me, the easiest was just to pull down the eyelid just slightly. And again, it's only a few seconds. And then I do the upper lid, and you just pull up the upper lid, and you do that for a few seconds, and then switch to the other eye. So it's a little awkward at first, but once you get the hang of it, then you know it's very easy and it's very simple to do.
During treatment, you are massaging and stimulating the meibomian glands. There are approximately 25 to 40 meibomian glands in the upper eyelid and 20 to 30 in the lower eyelid. These glands produce oils that prevent tear evaporation and protect your eye. For maximum results, it's important that the oscillating tip be placed correctly. with the edge of the soft tip on the eyelid margin. Remove all eye makeup prior to treatment. Experiment with the best way to hold the handpiece. What's comfortable for you? There's no need to rush. Use smooth, even movements across your lash line. Many NuLids users find putting their device near something they use every day is a great way to remember their 1-minute treatment.
When you suffer from chronic dry eyes all your life and you finally have something that's making you better, you make the effort to do it every single day. And it's really easy to do. If you're in the routine of washing your face, brushing your teeth every night, adding this very simple eye regimen to it is not a big deal. And it's certainly so worth it once you start seeing the results. You want to do it. It's something that you don't forget.
Studies have shown that 30 days is all it takes to create a new habit. Make the NuLids system a part of your daily routine.